Try these ideas to become successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very exciting business venture that anyone can enter into for their business. However, for a beginner, using a good affiliate program can be a tad bit tricky. So what should a novice do to learn how to use affiliate marketing? Well, read the tips in this video to start with. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. Give visitors many different options for connecting to your affiliate marketing through social media networks. In this day and age, people often choose to surf whichever portal is most convenient to them at the moment. If they are already posting on one source, they will often stay on that same source for more information. Be available on all of the social media sites in order to always be easily accessible to visitors. With iTunes' popularity and a large percentage of internet users listening to audio files for information, recording a podcast as an affiliate marketer is a solid way to increase your sales numbers. Hearing you speak will build more trust than simply watching your words, so do not take this tip lightly. Keep up to date with changes happening with the programs you are promoting. If they are offering new items or new things to put on your page, you should know of it. Make it a habit to check the pages of your links on a weekly basis at minimum. Be sure to pick a niche that you really want to sell in a market that is not too big. Look for something to sell that is really needed by a small group of people. When you begin with this approach, you already have a market, so you won't have to drum up business. Just convince the existing market that your version of the product or service is the best one. Now you should be able to see why affiliate marketing can be such an exciting business venture. There is so much work and promotion you can do to help your online business get more traffic, customers, and sales. With these tips in mind, you can start marketing like a real pro. Student loan.